Alright, because I'm a very lucky girl and have the best husband in the world, I'm out shopping makeup today. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a look at what I'm about to buy, and then I'll show you the products later. So at the moment, Maybelline Super Stay. Alright, so we've got in a bit of trouble. Not allowed to film inside the store, but I'm out with some goodies. So we'll go home, put them on, test them out, show you how we go. See you soon. Hi everyone, welcome back. I've been makeup shopping today, so I've had an absolute blast. About to share with you what I've actually picked up, and really cheaply. So just from Chemist Warehouse. I was going through my makeup the other day and I realised that I tend to gravitate to certain brands. I didn't realise this until I was sorting through it. Maybelline, Revlon, Napoleon Purtis, Thin Lizzy, Kim Kardashian West, Elf, L'Oreal. So today I've gone with something totally different, and it's just Chemist Warehouse brand. I think it sticks exclusive to Chemist Warehouse, My Chemist and My Beauty Spot nationally. So that's who they generally sell with. But found some fantastic little gems in there. So just going to go through them with you now. I will do another video and apply them and show you how they go. I'll swatch a few for you today. Let's go through it and have a look. So to start up, we had Glow Guru. Guess what? It's pink. So illuminating face cream. Looks absolutely gorgeous actually, and the smell is just amazing. So this makes me want to put it all over me. Then I love the names of this stuff. So it's like, instead of Go for Glory, it's Glow for Glory. And then inside, stunning. There's 2 sparkling powders for your cheeks, and then 4 glorious shimmering eyeshadows. So really excited to give them a go and see how they work. I can swatch a few for you now, just see how they look. So this is one of the cheeks. And again, that one not so, oh yeah, a bit of glow in there. And then for the eyes, for the eyeshadow, we have, look at that. Now that is exciting. And that. Oh, it's actually very creamy as well. Oh, very nice. And $4.99, guys, girls. This was amazing. Have a look at that. That's gold. So yeah, so I will apply in the next couple of days and let you know how they finish up, but they are swatching quite nicely there. So that was a illuminating palette, and then I got a little Let's Glow, surprise surprise, illuminating pressed powder, and this is gorgeous as well. So it's pinkish in colour, surprise surprise. And again, look at that. That's awesome. Then I got a Summer Sunshine Duo Glow Highlighter. I think I'm into the highlightings today, so just gonna swatch these as well. I've got any room left on my arm. Yeah, you can see the shimmer there, and then the darker one. And these can be used for everything from cheeks, oh look at that, to your eyeshadow. So can be used in numerous places. Didn't show you the front, so that's what it looks like. Very cute. Then I had the W7 Genius Super Smart Cream Foundation. That took a little while. And this is really lovely. This is really soft. So I cannot wait to put it on my face and see how it lasts. But it feels absolutely and smells amazing. So this is all the brand of W7 Cosmetics Australia. So just obviously a local national brand. Yeah, a couple of mini power puffs just to get into the corners of the eyes there. So they're really cute little ones. And then this looks amazing. So give it a bit of a shake, and it's gold. Again, surprise, surprise. It says Ready, Set, Glow, and it's illuminating setting spray. So I normally use the e.l.f. brand with that one, so we'll see how that goes as well. And then I got something very different. It's in the same brand, but it says very vegan. So I'm really interested. I don't know much about the product, so I will look into it and I will try it and let you know how it goes. But hey, not tested on animals, it's vegan. Sounds very interesting. So we'll see how that goes and I will let you know. A couple of regulars that I always get is the Kiss Blowout Lash. I don't have lashes, mate. I barely have any. I don't have lashes. They just don't grow. So even the ones that I have on now, these babies. When I do an event or go out at night, I do, you know, a different kind of lash, but this is my everyday lash. And then Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay. So in the colour 10 Ivory. So yeah, I will apply these over the next couple of days. We're about to go away for a couple of days on a business trip for my husband's work. So while we're there, I will test this stuff out. I'll test out these amazing products and let you know how they go. I will catch you all again soon, and thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.